Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be comparing Chime, SPOTME and MyPay so that you can understand which feature is designed for your situation and when you might use one instead of the other. So SPOTME is Chime's fee-free overdraft feature. If your account balance reaches zero and you are enrolled in SPOTME, Chime can automatically cover the eligible purchases and withdrawals up to the approved limit, which is typically up to $200. If we talk about MyPay, so MyPay works differently. Instead of covering an overdraft, it allows eligible members to access a portion of their upcoming paycheck before payday. So depending on the eligibility, you may be able to access up to $500 in advance. Now, one of the biggest differences between these two is how they are basically used. SportMe activates automatically when you spend more than your available balance, while MyPay requires you to manually request an advance through the Chime application. SportMe generally provides overdraft coverage up to $200, whereas MyPay can offer advantages up to $500 for eligible members. The exact amount available depends on your account history and the qualifying deposits. Now you can use SportMe when you basically run short on funds and you need a transaction covered. You can use MyPay when you want to proactively access part of your paycheck before your scheduled pay day. So many of the eligible Chime members can use both the features for different purposes. So that is the difference between SportMe and MyPay. If this guide helped you out, or if this guide helped you understand this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.